All right, welcome back to the next edition of Workbook Problems with Ms. Brewster. Today's episode features Practice 6, Real World Problems, More Ratios. You read the question as I read it out loud. For school fair, Lolita's parents donated 4 bottles of orange juice, 10 bottles of fruit punch, and 8 bottles of apple juice. Find the ratio of the number of bottles of orange juice to the number of bottles of fruit punch to the number of bottles of apple juice. Apple juice. All right, I've done my labels as I was doing my problem. You might want to read the problem first and then go back and do the labels to make sure I have them in the right order. So 4 bottles of orange juice goes here. 10 bottles of fruit punch goes here. 8 bottles of apple juice goes here. All of those are divisible by 2, which brings us to 4 divided by 2 is 2, 5 divided by 10 divided by 2 is 5, 8 divided by 2 is 4. The ratio is 2 to 5 to 4. All right, a company gave a total of $900 to 3 charities. Charity A received $200, Charity B received $400, and Charity C received the remaining amount. What is the ratio? The amount of Charity A received to the amount Charity B received to the amount Charity C received. So I'm looking for A to B to C. I know A is 200. I know B is 400. And C is 900 minus this, which is 600, giving me 300. Those are each divisible by 100, which gives me 2 to 4 to 3. Simplest form. Next page. Ruth. Good old Ruth. Cuts a piece of string into 3 equal parts. Their lengths are in the ratio 2 to 3 to 5. The longest part is 35 centimeters. How long is the shortest part? All right, 2 to 3 to 5. Looking at this is the longest because it has the largest number. This is the smallest because it has the smallest number. The longest part is 35. It's got to be something to 35. Thinking about equivalent ratios, 5 times 7 is 35. 2 times 7 is 14. The shortest piece must be 14 centimeters. All right. The ages of 3 brothers, Dave, Randy, and Martin, are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3. Dave is 7 years old. Find the total of all 3 brothers. So Dave to Randy to Martin, 1 to 2 to 3. If Dave is 7, we're finding equivalent ratios. 1 times 7 is 7. So 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 7 is 21. So all together, they are 21 plus 7 plus 14 is 21. 21, they are 42 years old. 42 years old. Kind of cool. All right, another way you could have done that was Dave to Randy to Martin, 1 box to 2 boxes to 3 boxes. The 1 box is 7. Then you know each of the boxes must be 7. So this has got to be double that, and this has got to be triple that. And add them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Cool. All right. The number of movies that Lisa, Mia, and Nina have seen are in the ratio of 6 to 4 to 7. 6 to 4 to 7. Lisa to Mia to Nina. Gotta draw it, gotta label it. Nina has seen 21 movies this year. How many movies has Lisa seen? Well, we're equivalent ratios, 21. 7 times 3 is 21. 6 times 3 is 18. Lisa has seen 18 movies. What is the total number of movies the 3 girls have seen? Well, 4 times 3 is 12. So I can add these together. 18 plus 12 is 30. Plus 21 is 51 movies. Eamon, Barb, and Kurt collect seashells in the ratio of 10 to 12 to 7. Kurt collected 98 seashells. How many seashells do they collect all together? Eamon to Barb to Kurt, 10 to 12 to 7. Kurt collected 98 seashells. So we're making equivalent ratios. So 7 times what? is 98. Well, I'm going to do a little division on the side. Goes in once. 7, remainder 2, 28, goes in 4 times. So 7 times 14. All right, what's 12 times 14? Let's see if I can do this. 12 times, or I can add all the parts together and multiply that by 14. 10 times 14 is 140. I didn't do that right, did I? 12 times 14 is 140 plus 28, which is going to give me 168, plus my 98. 8 is 16. This is 10. This is 10. That's 20. 406. 406. Cool. Or you could have done 10 plus 12, which is 22, plus 7, which is 29 times 14, would have given you 406 as well. All right. By the end of the year, Kieran's savings is 9 halves of Simon's savings. So Kieran's savings, what is the ratio of Kieran's savings to Simon's savings to their total? Kieran to Simon to total. Well, Kieran has 9 to Simon's 2 to the total of 11. How many times the total amount of money saved is Kieran saving? Well, he saves 9 elevenths. 9 out of the total 11. Right, this is kind of more fractional, right? 9 to 11. How many times the total amount of money saved is Simon's savings? Well, he has 2 out of the total 11. All right, Simon saves $28 less than Kieran. How much do both of them save altogether? I'm going to draw a little bar model here. Kieran, Simon. Kieran has 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simon has 2. He saves $28 less, so that means the 7 is 28. 28 divided by 7 is 4. Each box has 4. There are 11 boxes. Equals 44. I know there are 11 boxes because I already knew the total was 11. I have $44 all together. Lita, Kayla, and Rose enter a typing competition. Lita typed 2 times as fast as Kayla. The ratio of the number of words Kayla typed to the number of words Rose typed was 4 to 1. Rose typed 48 words. How many words did Lita type? All right. We're going to do a bar model here. We have Lita, Kayla, and Rose entered a typing competition. Lita typed 2 times as fast as Kayla, so she gets 2 boxes to Kayla's 1. The ratio of the number of words Kayla typed to the number of words Rose typed was 4 to 1. So now I have to make Kayla have 4 boxes. But for every 1 box I add here, I have to add 2 boxes up here to keep it in the ratio. 1 to 2. 1 to 2. And then Rose gets 1 box, right? So she's 1 to 4. And this is 4 to 2 to 8, right? Which is 2 to 1. Perfect. All right, this is 48 words. How many words did the Lolita type? 48 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 48 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 4 is 24. Plus 6 is 30. 8 times 4 is 32. Sorry. Plus 6 is 38. 384 words. Right. Young's Dairy Bar produces yogurt in 3 flavors, vanilla, strawberry, and banana. The amount of vanilla yogurt they produce in a day is 2 times the amount of banana yogurt. The amount of banana yogurt they produce in a day is 3 times the amount of strawberry yogurt. What is the ratio of the amount of vanilla yogurt to the amount of banana yogurt to the amount of strawberry yogurt? Vanilla to banana to strawberry. I'm going to draw some bar models too because here we change a little bit. So the amount of vanilla yogurt they produce is 2 times the amount of banana. So vanilla gets 2, banana gets 1. The amount of banana yogurt they produce in a day is 3 times the amount of strawberry yogurt. So here we need 3, but every 1 we add here, we have to add 2 here to keep it in the ratio. And strawberry gets 1. So the amount of vanilla to banana to strawberry is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 3 to 1. How many times the total amount of yogurt produced is the amount of vanilla? So the total is 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10. Vanilla is 6, so 6 to 10, or 3/5 of all the yogurt is vanilla. All right, that concludes practice number 6. See you later.